Hi everyone, it's Anastasia Sarima here from IperionX, and I'm really excited to let you know about the partnership we signed today with MRL around qualification of our titanium metal into US Navy parts. This is an important step for us in reshoring the titanium metal supply chain in America and reshoring it sustainably for future generations. For us, over the next few months, we look forward to continuing work with the Department of Defense and many other potential American customers around the use of our titanium metal powders. Any further information, please go to IperionX.com. We have a lot more information on there regarding our work and our work with the government. In addition to that, if you would like, please send any questions to info@IperionX.com and we'll endeavour to reply to them as soon as possible. Thank you very much. Have a great day.